The programs and other operating information used by a computer. Quality assurance का engineer record test progress and results. Code automated tests. Create test plans. Identify, isolate, and track bugs throughout testing. Software can be divided into two main categories. First is application and second is system software. System software is a set of programs to control and manage the operations of a computer hardware. Types of system software. There are several types of system software. First is operating system, second is utility, and third is device drivers. Application software is used to perform various applications on the computer, and people use application software according to their needs. Commonly, application software are as follows: word processor like MS Word, spreadsheet like MS Excel, database software like Oracle and MS Access. Software engineering is a detailed study of engineering to the design, development and maintenance of software. Roles of software engineer in the field of technology. First is front-end engineer, back-end engineer, car engineer, DevOps engineer, security engineer. A front-end engineer builds websites, designs applications and ensures overall user accessibility. Tasks of front-end. There are different tasks of front-end engineer: frameworks and libraries, version control, cross-browser and device testing, web performance optimization (WPO), search engine optimization (SEO). Backend engineer responsible for designing, building, and maintaining the server side of web applications, and optimizing servers for scalability, speed, and stability. The four most common languages for back-end development: PHP, Python, Ruby, Java. Car engineer is a professional who finds and fixes bugs in a product or program before its launch. Quality assurance का engineer record test progress and results. Code automated tests. Create test